To celebrate the launch of my ultimate air fryer cookbook, One Basket Meals, in Poland, I've cooked a super popular Polish dish. It's basically their answer to a pork schnitzel. Simply pound your pork chops really thinly, coat them in flour, egg and breadcrumbs, and then air fryer until crispy and juicy in the middle. I've given this classic a lighter twist by cooking it in the air fryer. You still get that gorgeous golden crunchy coating, but with far less oil and far less fuss. I love serving mine with creamy mash and a tangy slaw.